Namaskar, I am Dr. Girish Gupta, working as Chief Consultant in Gaurang Clinic and Center for Homeopathic Research. I have done GHMS from National Homeopathic Medical College in the year 1980-81 and later on did my MD and PhD from Homeopathy University, Jaipur. I have been practicing in Lucknow for the last 42 years. I am delighted to invite all of you to the National Homeopathic Conference being organized by Healthy World Vision Foundation, and this conference will be held in the auditorium of Ganna Sansthan situated in Lucknow. Since I will also be one of the speakers in scientific session, I will be sharing my evidence-based work in the field of gynecology, and I will be presenting my evidence-based cases on uterine fibroids, ovarian cyst, PCOD, fibroadenoma of the breast, cervical polyp, and Nabothian cyst, etc. Except PCOD, all these conditions are usually surgical in modern system of medicine, whereas I have successfully treated such cases and documented umpteen number of evidence-based cases in my clinic. So I will be delighted to share all my work in the field of gynecology through this conference. So you are most welcome to City of Nawabs, that in Lucknow, and to participate in National Homeopathic Conference being held in Lucknow and organized by Dr. Amit Nayak and Pooja Nayak. Thank you very, very much. Namaskar.